Come and.
So those are your hands.
Come and say goodbye.
Give us your hands. Hey, you guys, give us your hands.
Give us your hands.
Give him a dap.
No, give a dap.
Work your hands.
Come on, a dap.
Oh, come on.
Wow, come on. Who's got the lame friends? Jamie, is it your husband or is it you that has the lame friends?
Both.
Oh, okay.
So, you know what? We should maybe take a shot to that.
Yeah, do you want to take a shot?
Jamie, take a shot. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How was that? It was hot. Yeah, you did that, Jamie.
You need anything else? You want to eat?
My dress.
It's okay.
Oh.
Just wipe it down in your name.
Here, wipe it off.
So my leg and everything.
Oh, I'm like, oh, get it off your leg.
Oh.
Whoa.
We on camera.
Wow. Hoochie coochie, la la la. Jamie, I didn't know you were like that.
Oh,
You all
wow.
showing us your Britney Spears.
Touching on your damn self and things.
Wow. So, hey, did you want
It's
some
the
cake?
Fireball.
You want some cake? Oh, it's a fireball. You want some cake? They got some really nice cake.
Here. Nah.
Just a
Nah.
little
It's really good.
I'm trying to keep.
bit. The voice is
Hey, so you want some
I
fruit?
would like some of that watermelon.
Oh, well, we got.
Watermelon. Yes.
Oh, yeah, watermelon. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Bring the whole bowl.
Hey,
Oh.
this watermelon right here is the shit. You heard that?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You just gotta reach all in the bowl. I think you're supposed to just grab the fork. I mean, but okay. Oh. Whoa. Dang. Was it good? We kind of infused it with a little rum and stuff. How you like it? It's good?
You want some more?
All right. Oh, dang. Well, our lovely assistant just got a little drenched.
Got all of my legs and everything.
Wipe it off. Wipe it off.
My knees.
Well, all right. We're going to go ahead and let you get out of here. You know, we're about to go down to the waterfront. You going too?
Yeah.
You going to go see the fireworks and
Oh, I
stuff?
got that for you, girl. Give me that. Right there. Thank you.
Wow, you just don't give a fuck. You just toss things around. What's wrong with you?
Tossing it up. Something gonna be hurting.
Hey, no, we gotta know. Have you done the latest dance? You know the latest dance?
You need lip gloss. Your lips are kind of chapped. She need a little lip gloss.
Here.
Oh.
Look, you want to take?
Before-
Jamie, can you reach for something? I'm tired of like having to bring it to you. Everything.
Oh,
Put a little lip gloss on.
He goes,
Oh yeah, sexy lady. Sexy lady. All right, Puppet Master. We see your face. But yeah, so you guys know how to do the Harlem Shake? Or you know how to do the Harlem Shake? Because tonight, that's the dance. You got it? Oh. What about the flex?
Oh man.
What about the flex?
Hit him with the flex. Hit him with the flex.
Old school on us. Old school on us. What about the Dougie? Teach me how to Dougie.
Oh.
Cabbage Patch then
Cabbage Patch. You don't know what the Cabbage Patch?
We be like, oh.
Somebody give him an example.
Dog.
Cabbage Patch. Oh, your jacket's falling off. Fix your jacket, girl.
Oh, you want to put your lip gloss on the ground? It's cool.
Cabbage Patch.
Cabbage Patch. Cabbage Patch.
Cabbage Patch example.
Cabbage Patch.
This is
What about Ride the Cowboy? What about Ride that Cowboy? Alright, Jay. You know what? We'll see you at the club tonight. So it was good seeing you. Somebody want to say bye to her?
Bye, Jamie.